In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Suckup on PC. So Suckup uses AI agents to embody the game's NPC, which requires meaningful cost to operate. It's currently unavailable on Steam and other platforms like that, but I'm going to show you how you can get it from the official website. So for this, first of all, you're going to open any browser in your system, and then you're going to type into the search box for Suckup. Then you're going to scroll down until you find the website www.playsuckup.com. And once you see this website which says Suckup Hilarious Vampire Adventure Game, you're going to click on that. And once you do so, you will be able to see here this kind of interface. And if you scroll down, you will be able to see here much more information about this game. And if you scroll down more, you should be able to see here FAQ. And if you have any of these questions from here, you can just click on them and read out the answers. So to download this game, you're going to scroll up back to the very top of the screen, and then you will be able to see here Buy Now button. So you're going to click on that. Then you will be able to see here some more information about this game, and you can also read out this purchase disclaimer. As I have told you in the start, that this purchase allows you to play this game for approximately 40 to 50 hours. As these AI models require meaningful costs from their end, if you want to play more, you have to pay them again. You can also see here some more information that what are the system requirements for this game, and you can just read them out. And if you are good with all of that, you can scroll up back and then click on Add to Cart. Then you should be able to see here the total cost on the right side of your screen, including taxes. And from the left side of your screen, you have different options to pay like Google Pay, Shop Pay, or your credit card. And once you have just entered your payment information, you can scroll down and then click on Pay Now. Once you click on Pay Now, you will be able to download this game and then start playing it.